Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new contact to your Skype account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the contacts icon down below, which is the third option. Then click on this icon at the bottom of the screen in the right side corner. Then you can either search for people using their Skype name or phone number, email address or full name, or you can also invite a person or people to Skype by clicking on the invite to Skype button. And then you can copy this link that you can send to your friends, or also use a QR code, or send it as an SMS message via airdrop, email, and so on. Or you can also add their phone number, so that you will be so you are going to add them to your contacts. So first you need to indicate their first and surname, and then their mobile number, and then if you are done with adding all these information, click on the save button in the upper right corner, thereby adding this new contact to your list of contacts that you can find here at this section. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.